Welcome to GB Manchester's Guide on Access Control Projects. We'll walk you through how each team works together to create a successful access control system. After winning a contract, our first step is requesting the latest architectural drawings and door hardware details from the construction team. Our team then carefully compares the door hardware schedule with our drawings to catch any potential conflicts early. We need to verify all hardware will support the access control functions we're planning. Next, we prepare a complete product submittal package with data sheets for all access control devices and detailed shop drawings showing exactly where devices will be installed and how they'll be wired. This package goes to the construction team for review. If changes are needed, we adjust and resubmit until we receive final approval. With approvals in hand, we start ordering materials, prioritizing items with long lead times to keep the project running smoothly once on-site work begins. Now let's cover what happens during installation and who handles what on-site. The door hardware contractor, or Division 8, installs all door hardware, including electrified locks like lever sets, panic bars, magnetic locks, and strikes. They also handle auto door operators and actuator buttons. Since door frames are typically prepared before ordering, early coordination helps avoid costly modifications later. Throughout this process, GB Manchester provides support with wiring during door installation. The construction team coordinates between GB Manchester and the door hardware contractor to ensure we're on site during door installation, as we handle routing wires to all electrical door components. Note that GB Manchester is not responsible for drilling holes through doors for wire pathways, such as routing wire harnesses from the hinge to the electrified lever set on a wood door. GB Manchester, or Division 28, handles all access control components. This includes card readers, request to exit devices that aren't built into the locking hardware, door position switches, and all low-voltage cabling. We're also responsible for the central system components, including access control panels, power supplies for card readers, network switches when needed, and interface boards. After everything is installed, we conduct thorough testing of all systems, from basic lock operations to complex emergency scenarios. To ensure a smooth transition, we provide detailed as-built drawings, complete testing, and training for both end users and system administrators. We also deliver operation manuals and warranty information. Let's address some common questions that come up on projects. Who wires ADA buttons for auto door operators? The electrical contractor connects the buttons to the door operator. GB Manchester handles integration with the access control system. Who provides power supplies? This varies by project and needs to be coordinated with Division 8. Who programs ADA door operators? The door hardware installer handles programming the automatic door openers. Your access control door won't unlock. If the issue appears to be on the access control side, contact GB Manchester. If the access control system seems to function correctly but the electronic lock isn't working properly, reach out to your door contractor. If you're not sure, we can help troubleshoot. An access control door isn't latching properly or closing completely. Contact your door hardware contractor.